Hello, welcome to your astrological forecast for Monday, May 10th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. Let's get started with our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take our first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, toxicity, and negativity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Good. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies, and it's being replaced by this beautiful white light that's made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It fills our entire bodies, and it goes out and forms a protective circle of white light around our physical etheric bodies, and it's deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity right back to where it came from. Let's sit for about five seconds, not 10, 5 seconds in this space of white light. And let's say, I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. Let's sit in this beautiful space of white light. I am abundant. Everything I desire, everything I require is available to me from the universe. Wonderful. What a great way to start our work week, right? Okay. Well, today, as I said yesterday, it's a great week. A little bit lighter energy, the energy is a little bit more compatible to getting things taken care of, getting resolution, problem solving. It's wonderful this week. So today, the moon is still in Taurus, so we have the feeling is laid back. It's laid back today, and we want to feel safe and secure. We're feeling homey. We want to get home after work. We're not really into going out and partying after work today, and we just want to go home and relax and are comfy, put our slips on, and just kind of hang out today. We enjoy good music. We enjoy good food. There's a little bit of a conflict today. There's energy of Mars in Cancer sextiling Uranus in Taurus. So even though that we're feeling all like just hanging out at home, there's a part of us that say, hey, I do want a good meal, but I want to try something different today. Or maybe I want to try a different restaurant today. So while we want to keep in our good comfort zone, our cozy comfort zone, we might want to just take it to, try something new. Maybe we're like, oh, I wanted to listen to that new group that I heard of on the radio or on the radio. Anyway, so there's that going on today. So there's good uplifting energy, good energy to work with that Pluto energy of uncovering unresolved issues in our lives. Today, if there are any of those, we might begin to see a little bit more light on how to best get those resolved for us. Let's see what the spirit guides have to say for this Monday, where we're feeling all kind of like cozy and comfort. We just want to feel, with the moon in Taurus, it's very earthy. So it's very sensual. So we like to feel the touch. We like to hear. We like to taste. We like to smell. We want to be able to really satisfy all our senses today as with that energy. And with that little Mars in sextiling Uranus, you might do something just a little bit different with it, just a little different. Okay, spirit guides, What is the word for this Monday, May the 10th? Desert passage. Trust that there is a divine plan. Stepping into power. You are strong beyond measure. I think that's what it says. Yes. In the flow, everything is flowing smoothly. Well, so Spirit is saying to us, some of us are just a little confused. We can't really see where we're going. We've been working on these problems. We have these situations in our lives. We can't quite come to a conclusion or fix the problem. While we are moving through these situations in our life, Spirit wants us to know that there is a divine plan. That even though it may not look real good right now and we're not feeling real comfortable right now, there is a divine plan. We just have to move through this energy. With Pluto digging up our issues, it could well be something that we're having a very hard time resolving, healing, transforming. We don't know how to move on, but there is a divine plan. We are able to change our minds. We have the courage. We have strength. We have wisdom within us to help us, guide us, to help us see that divine plan. For those of us who are just a little bit overwhelmed today, just not really understanding which direction to go to or go in or how to resolve this issue. What are we going to do? So to step into our power, we have the power to resolve, we have the strength, and then we just go in the flow. We let Spirit guide us. Let Spirit guide us to where we need to be. And you know what that means? That means we have to trust. We have to trust in ourselves. We have to trust in our own power today, our own strength, our own courage. And we have to let Spirit guide us to where we're going. As Spirit says, there is a divine plan for us. So make it a great Monday. Come see me on Facebook.com. I do my little inspirational messages there every day. And remember, life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.